Hey guys, all right, listen, today it's a beautiful day, all right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, all right? It's sunny, it's about like 75 degrees. Guess what? Summer is over, all right guys, summer is over. But that's all right. Guess what I'm gonna do today, all right? Guess what? A tricolore pasta. All right guys, tricolore pasta. It's gonna taste good, guys, all right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, that's what I need to do this delicious dish, all right? All right, I'm gonna go over with you guys so you guys know exactly what I have here, all right? So I have here a half can of tomato paste. I have here a quarter cup of olive oil. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use, all right? Also, I have here 6 cloves of garlic. I have here two bay leaves, all right? And I have here 1 package of tricolore Rotini, all right, guys, to bring the flavor, all right? So also I have here 1 teaspoon of thyme. I have 1 teaspoon of basil. I have 1 teaspoon of Italian Caesar. All right, guys. Also, I have here 2 tablespoons of parsley. I have 2 onions, medium size. Or that doesn't have to be big, like medium size. And also, I have here 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 1 tablespoon of oregano. All right, guys, to bring that flavor. All right. And also I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, guys. Also, I have here 2 cans of diced tomatoes. All right, guys. This is very good. And also, this is for the meat. All right. For the meat, I have quarter cup of olive oil. I have 4 cloves of garlic. I have here a half teaspoon of black pepper, sorry. And also I have 2 pounds of shark meat, right? You guys ready to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. So now I'm gonna start with the, with the sauce, right? Very good. So I'm gonna need first my olive oil. All right, it's looking good. Okay, now that's it. All right, so now I'm gonna need my garlic. All right, guys, my garlic. Very good. So now let's stir it a little bit. So this has to be brown. Okay, the gold color, guys. All right, so all right, so I see you guys a little bit brown. It's ready now for the onions. All right, very good. That's my onions. It's looking good. All right, it's looking good, guys. All right, now I'm gonna leave this to get that gold color, all right? And I see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, my onions and my garlic, it's ready. You guys can take a look there. Can you see there? Very good. All right, it's looking good, guys. All right, now it's time for my tomatoes. All right, guys, that's how you make a fresh sauce. All right, so after that, I'm gonna put my tomato paste. Okay, very good. It's looking good, guys. It's looking very good. All right, now you mix a little bit. It's looking good. Now, I'm gonna put my pepper. Also, my thyme. My Italian season. All right, oregano. My parsley and bay leaves. All right, guys. You guys can see that's when the color comes together. All right, guys. Very good. All right. So now I'm gonna let this cook, okay? And put my salt now. All right. Put my oregano. All right, and my sugar. All right, very good. It's looking good, guys. That's when the color and the flavor comes together, guys. Very good. So now let cook. I'm gonna put down a little bit. All right, medium. All right, so guys, I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, all right, very good. Time to check. All right, time to check, guys. All right, very good. It's looking good. All right, it's looking very good, guys. All right, so my sauce is cooking. All right, now it's time for the meat. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start with my olive oil. Very good. My garlic. All right. It's looking good. And my black pepper. All right. You guys. All right, it's looking good. See you guys a little bit. Okay, guys, my garlic is ready. All right, so now it's time for my meat, my sharp meat. All right, very good. All right, very good, guys. Now I have to store this. Looking good. All right, very good, guys. Let me cook this meat. All right, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, my meat is ready. All right, very good. It's looking good, guys. My meat is ready. All right, cover up. So I'm gonna turn up this. So now it's time for my pasta. All right, my tricolore pasta, guys. All right, very good. Woo, very good, guys. It's looking good. All right, so now cover. Let this baby cook. All right, and I see you guys a little bit. All right, guys, very good. All right, my sauce is ready. All right, it's looking good. Very good. And my meat is ready. So now I'm gonna mix the meat in the pan. Okay, guys. Hold on a second. Okay, very good. Very good, guys. Very good. It's looking good, guys. Looking very good. You guys can see here. If you want to see nice color. All right, guys. Very good. All right, guys. My pasta is ready. All right. So now I'm gonna drain the water. All right, and I see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I just drained my pasta. All right, I just drained my pasta. Now I'm gonna mix, all right, the tricolore pasta with my sauce. All right, guys, you guys can take a look. Very good. It's looking good, guys. You guys can take a look here if you guys want to see here. All right, looking good. All right, guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this cook for 5 more minutes. All right, it's in low. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, woo! All right, very good, guys. Hey guys, now I have to show you guys my final dish. All right, my final dish, guys. All right, tricolore pasta with sharp meat. All right, guys, I'm sure it's gonna taste good, guys. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, guys, I'll let you know. Okay, that looks good, and it smells so good. Okay, I'm hungry. Very hungry, guys. All right, so okay, you guys can put some Parmesan cheese. If you don't want Parmesan cheese, just don't add it, okay? But I like some Parmesan cheese. Very good. So I'll let you know. Wow, nice colors, right? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's what I call, guys, tricolore pasta with sharp meat. All right? Wow, that is delicious. Very good. Good job. Very good, guys. Hey, guys. You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.